Hello everyone. Thank you for having me. My name is Arthur, and I'm going to be speaking to you today about
home charcoal air purifiers.
After watching this video, if you found information here helpful, please subscribe to our channel and like this video to continue making more top 10 videos. Also turn notification on to get latest videos uploaded.
Alright, today we're going to look at this 12-pack of charcoal deodorizer bags. First thing I do, so we have the instruction manual, also has the contact information, which is awesome. These are the air purifying bags, so that's what we've got. And then we have the bag. So there are 6 of these 2-packs in here, as you can see there. So you don't need a dozen of them. We'll just set those to the side. And then open up this bag here. Cool, nice and easy to open. So here's our charcoal bag. So these are really light. They use activated charcoal. They have this innovative mesh that gets you like 10 times more airflow than the typical material, which is linen. So the air can just flow through and the charcoal can do its job a lot better than other ones. And then these are great for odor removers. They last for about 2 years, so that's a really long life. And you can use them in a bunch of situations. So in your car, in a gym bag, in your backpack, inside shoes, anything like that. They're a nice size, so like you can see it in my hand. It's about the size of my hand. Here we got a shoe. So it's kind of probably my biggest use is just shoes because they can get some odors. So you can just stick it right in the shoe, and then that's gonna suck up all the odors. And it's right in there. You can see. So yeah, that's the charcoal bags. Take a look at these. Other areas, like for us, we keep our trash can in a closet. So we'll probably put a few of these, by the trash can just to kind of soak some of those odors up. So I recommend giving these a look and checking them out.
Hey everyone, today I'll be checking out my new ozone air purifier. I'm going to place this in the fridge and hopefully keep that fridge smelling a little bit better while we try and do our part and not leave leftovers in there for weeks at a time. But this is really great. You can use it on 2 modes, and that's going to depend on how long your battery lasts, but it does come with a recharging cable, so we can reuse this over and over. So to turn it on, we're going to press this button right here, and this is also how you can switch between standard and high mode. Alright, there you can see we're flashing. Blue mode is going to be standard mode and purple will be high mode. But I think it's time to put it in the fridge and get to that deodorizing. This deodorizer can effectively reduce unpleasant odors in closed environments like your refrigerator, freezer, shoe cabinets, closets, wardrobe, cars, pet rooms, and more. This deodorizer can effectively reduce unpleasant odors in closed environments like your refrigerator, freezer, shoe cabinets, closets, wardrobe, cars, pet rooms, and more. Within just a few hours, you'll notice how clean your fridge smells. Plus, it's an economical choice with no filters to replace, and it's reusable. In standard mode, your battery will last about 30 days. In strong mode, you're looking at about 72 hours.
Introducing the Moso Natural Air Purifying Bag. This unique odor eliminator is a safe and non-toxic alternative to chemical-filled scented air fresheners. With its wide, sturdy base and reinforced grommet, you can use it anywhere. Just place or hang Moso Natural in an open area. And like a magnet, it attracts particles out of the air to remove unpleasant smells and odors caused by sweat, mustiness, pet, smoke, paint, and food. Moso Natural contains one simple ingredient: Moso Bamboo Charcoal. Completely safe, natural, non-toxic, and fragrance-free. To rejuvenate your Moso bag, place the bag outside in direct sunlight. Moso Natural, the air purifying bag.
If you're sensitive to smell, you know how easily a bad smell can outright ruin your day. From dirty shoes, soiled laundry, any of the sort can come from any place in your home. and I found myself tired of deodorizers that actively harm the environment, such as sprays or pods. So I searched out for an option that actively gives back to the environment while making my house, car, shoes, and closet smell better. With this 12-pack of 12 charcoal odor eliminators, I love the fact I can cleanse multiple of my belongings at once. I got them from Amazon for a low price, and I was immediately drawn to the fact that they didn't use any perfumes, powders, or sprays. They're completely natural through the use of bamboo charcoal. The activation process is extremely easy. No hassle of dealing with wires or anything of the sort. Simply put them in sunlight for about 3 hours and the deodorizers will be charged up, pungent, and ready to use. So these are the perfect size to be able to deodorize shoes. If you think that's their only option, you're completely wrong. They are the perfect size, small and compact enough, but still with an amazingly pungent smell. And since they can fit anywhere, you can put them in dressers, drawers, bags, closets. So these are the perfect size to be able to deodorize shoes. If you think that's their only option, you're completely wrong. They are the small and compact enough, still with an and fit anywhere. You can put them in dressers, bags, laundry hampers, cars, anywhere. And like I said, the charging process is completely easy. Simply set them in the sun for the amount of time.
If this is your face when you open up your fridge, then you definitely need the product that I'm about to show you. Refrigerator deodorizer. We're going to open it up. And here we have the deodorizer and the USB that basically you can recharge. So this has two different settings. So if we hold it, this is going to be just the standard one, and then if you know that your refrigerator smells just a little bit worse or you want it to clean out the air faster, you can go onto the powerful mode and then go back to that's the standard, and then this is how you just turn it off. And it's what's nice is that you can recharge this, so you don't need to go through them and then throw them out. You can just recharge it and it lasts 45 days. After I turn this on, the ozone will be released and it will start to work after 15 minutes. So when I place this into my refrigerator, after 15 minutes, I opened it and I can literally already smell the difference. What's nice about this also is that it can basically maintain the freshness of your fruits and vegetables. Another thing that I already mentioned, that it is USB rechargeable, which is nice. And then you can literally only charge this one time a month, just like you do with your electric toothbrush. You can use this for up to 2 years if you use it on a normal circumstance. You take care of it, which is literally less than $1 a month, which is crazy to think. That's cheaper than a cup of coffee. Also, if you have a smaller fridge, one will work. If you have a bigger fridge, then you would definitely need two. And you don't have to use this in your refrigerator only. You can use it in your cupboard, your wardrobe, anywhere that there is lingering odor, your laundry room, and you can also use it in the car. However, no one can be present when this is turned on. This is definitely an amazing thing to have to get rid of the different odors that you may have.